Hello students, third exercise, second question. In the adjacent figure, first one are triangle ABC and triangle DCB are congruent. See this figure, ABCD, ABC triangle and DCB. These two congruent or not, and second one are triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC. Also identify the relation between corresponding elements and the give reason for your answer. See this answer total about this diagram. Answer: in triangle ABC, angle ABO. Here observe ABO equal to, we know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Like that here ABO 180 minus 50 minus 50 minus 30 means minus 130. Here total angles about that minus 130. 180 minus 130. The total straight angle 180 minus 130 will get 50 degrees. Angle ABO equal to 50 degrees. Then angle B equal to, here form two angles. Here angle B equal to 50 plus 50 total 100 degrees. Angle B equal to 100 degrees. 50 plus 50 equal to 100 degrees. Now take another triangle. In triangle DCB, angle DCO equal to 180 minus same 50 plus 50 plus 30 means 130 minus 130 minus 50 minus 50 minus 30 total minus 130 equal to 50 degrees. Above that angle C equal to, two angles they form, 50 plus 50 equal to 100 degrees. 50 plus 50. This is 100 degrees. Angle C also 100. Now therefore in triangle ABC under triangle DCB, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle C means what are congruent, what are equal here. Angle A 30, angle D also 30, angle B 100, angle C also 100, angle ACB equal to angle DBC. Observe that figure. Here having total angles means by AAA congruency triangle. See here by AAA, triple A axiom means triple A congruency triangle. What are equal? ACB. Triangle ACB is congruent to triangle, in the triangle another triangle DCB. Triangle DCB is congruent to by concept. So we know that corresponding parts of congruent triangles. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now finally AB equal to CD. AB is congruent to CD. This is first one, and the second also they asking second one. And the second one are triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC means in triangle AOB and triangle DOC, take the two triangles. In that angle A equal to angle D. Why? Because here angle A 30 degrees, angle D also 30 degrees. Means angle A equal to angle D equal to 30 degrees. And observe that figure. angle AOB equal to angle DOC, means vertically opposite angles. Here vertically opposite angles. For that another one, angle ABO equal to angle DCO equal to 50 degrees. By here having three angles means triple A axiom, means AAA axiom. Axioms means what are congruency, means by AAA congruency having three angles, so AAA congruency. About that, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. These two congruent means what are equal, that are congruent by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. For that, AO equal to OD, means AO is congruent to OD. AO equal to OD, equal to nothing but congruency. Another one, OB is congruent to OC, means OB equal to OC. Next, fourth exercise. Which congruency certain do you use in the following? They given some two figures, means two triangles here they given. This is three sides having. This is triple A's congruency, means given that AC equal to DF, AB equal to DE, means these are all sides. Side AC equal to side DF, side AB equal to side DE, side BC equal to side EF. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. This is one of the triple S congruency. Yes, congruence. This only answer. And next, second one. Here given that ZX equal to RP, ZX equal to RP, and RQ equal to ZY, RQ equal to ZY, and angle PRQ is congruent to XZY, means here angle R equal to angle Z. Here middle letter observe, angle R equal to angle Z. Here they given two sides. This is side, means side ZX equal to side RP, side RQ is congruent to side ZY, angle R is congruent to angle Z. Therefore finally triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ, means here two sides one angle, means which congruency this one? SAS. This is answer. First one triple S congruency, second one SAS, means two sides one angle they given. And third one here observe, given that they given, what are they given? Angle MLN is congruent to angle FGH, means angle L congruent to angle G, middle letters. They are given one angle, and here also they given another angle. Two angles one side, Another one, angle NML is congruent to angle GFH, For that ML equal to FG, side ML equal to side FG, means they given two angles one side, Third one answer, what is answer? ASA is congruence. They given here angle symbol, means two angles they given, one side they given. Finally triangle LMN is congruent to triangle GFH. Got it? Here understand, they given two angles one side, having what is congruency? ASA axiom. This is congruency. ASA congruence. Next one, EB. Given that EB is congruent to DB, EB means one of the side they given. AE equal to BC, another side they given. Two sides they given. Angle A equal to angle C equal to 90 degrees. Means this is one of the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CDB. Means RHS. RHS means right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse one of the side. This is RHS. Axiom or congruency. Once see that again. First figure they given three sides means SSS congruency. Second figure two sides one angle they given SAS congruency. Third one two angles, here two angles one side they given ASA congruency. Next one here one right angle, one hypotenuse, another one side they given. Two right angles here 90 degrees means about RHS. RHS means right angle hypotenuse side.